Alright, so here we are. We're out here in no man's land. We're getting ready to have a little fun. My boy Eric's prepared. It's pretty accurate.
Yeah. Oh, that was it. Keep walking.
That's all she wrote. Alright, testing out Rossi's gun. Here we go. Here we go. Not bad. Alright, so last but not least, we've got the Victor Kross. Oh, let's test this bad boy. Hey.
And that's shooting the 9 or no?
45.
45.
Reg, you're dead, huh? Oh, let's turn on the sight. Let's turn on the... Let's see if we're gauged in. This guy's dialing it in.
I was shooting last week with the sun behind me and I couldn't fucking... couldn't see anything through the dot.
You ready for a bang?
Yep. I'm trying to get any kind of reference of where the fuck I am. I don't know. Yeah, this is different for me.
Yeah, hold that shit tight. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go left to right. Hell yeah. Oh, maybe I'll just use this one instead. Oh, here, you want to try and shoot this? These are always fun.
And this is the 9?
Nah, yeah, 9mm, yep. So with this one, you just pull it back.
Yeah.
And that's it. Alright. Let's put one of these bad boys down range.
Hell yeah.
Mr. Pumpkin, how are you?
Good one. Just listen to that echo through the fucking valley.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I wonder why this thing loosened up so much. Hell yeah, we're burning through this fucking thing. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. What do I have? Anything left? One more. One more.
I can't get this dotted.
Come on. All right.
That's what's good about throwing that pitch. There you go.
All right, Rossi, now I know where I'm going with this. Now I know where I'm going. Melts the tape on it for a better grip.
There you go.
Let's see, where's my... Can't see my blue. Might help if I fucking engage.
You can see that blue dot on there.
There it goes. Vortex, fucked. Can't see it. Oh, to rack it?
Yeah.
You got it on the other side.
All right.
Use your left hand. Yeah. Just pull. It pulls back like 2 inches, bro. And then just let it go forward.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. That thing's... It's a small
I like
pull.
how it feels.
I love how it feels. See? 12 inches above, dude, and you're spot on.
Look at I was not going 12 inches above that thing, but how come I was right on with that buck?
There it is.
Yeah. Like it.
Hell yeah. It's like, there's like no recoil on that shit.
Oh, I forgot it.
About to test out the Apollo I won, what, 2 weeks ago? Let's go, Mighty.
Sweet.
Oh yeah, she works. Uh-oh, she doesn't work.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Nah, she works like a gem. Just fucking with you guys. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. She shoots like a dream. Oh. What happened? A stovepipe.
Little failure to eject.
It's okay. It's wet. Oh, you guys never did that.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Figure it out. Ah!